Hello dear students, good morning all of you. Once again I warm welcome into this wonderful session. Myself Nityanand Mishra. In this video session we are going to discuss about the physics of class 10th, chapter number 2, that is magnetism. I have previously completed the two videos of the chapter magnetism. The link of the previous videos are given in the description box. By that way, you can easily understand the previous theory. So, we are going to start. Today's topic is magnetic field due to the state wire or state current carrying wire. State current carrying wire की वजह से magnetic field क्या होता है? All of you studied about the magnetism. When charge pass in the conductor, that is called current. The rate of flow of charge is known as current. And when current is supplied in any circuit, any conductor, any wire, then it produces a different type of field that is different to the electric field. That field is called magnetic field. This concept, the moving charge produce the magnetism. This concept is given by the Ørsted. I will provide the link of that video in which we studied. We tell you why, how, in which manner moving charge produced the magnetic field. I will provide the link of that video in the I button. By that way you can see the video which prove that the moving charge produced a magnetism around it. Now in this video we find the direction of magnetic field due to the current carrying conductor. In this picture, this is a current carrying conductor XY, and the direction of the electric current is in the direction of arrow. That's mean towards X from Y. Y से X की ओर current supply हो रही है. तो according to this rule, let us consider this is a wire. In this case, if the current is moving in the direction of ink, जैसे इसमें ink flow करेगी नीचे की ओर, when the current is moving towards upside, you hold this wire like that. Then you fix your thumb in the direction of electric current. Then the direction of wrapped finger. देखिए wrapping क्या है? ऐसे. Then the direction of wrapped finger shows the direction of magnetic field lines. It shows the direction of the magnetic field line. According to the rule, imagine holding a current carrying state conductor in your right hand. This is a necessary. This is a rule for the right hand thumb rule. Right hand such that the thumb of right hand along the direction of current, then the fingers of the hand, जो fingers हैं इस hand की, उनका क्या direction? Fingers of the hands will wrap around the conductor in the direction of magnetic field. जो fingers की wrapping है, वो क्या होगी? Around the direction of magnetic field होगी. Around the wire. That shows the direction of magnetic field in the wire. So there is another rule, right hand palm rule. So right hand palm rule क्या कहता है कि if you placed your thumb, same ही rule है, ठीक है, वो further classes में पढ़ोगे आप. If you placed your thumb in the direction of electric current, then your fingers towards the direction of magnetic fingers towards the direction of that point where you find the magnetic field, like this. जैसे इस पॉइंट पर हमें करना है. Then the direction of magnetic field is towards the direction of magnetic field is towards the pushing of the hand of the right hand. तो इस पॉइंट पर जो डायरेक्शन होगा, अगर ये बोर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग ये वायर रखा तो ऐसा हम रखेंगे तो इस पॉइंट पर इनवर्स डायरेक्शन होगा, है ना. एंड यू नो व्हेन यू ड्रा अ फुल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन, then this is in a form of circle, and at that particular point in the circle the magnetic direction of magnetic field is tangential at that point. तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होगी, उस पॉइंट पर टेंजेंशियल होगी. ठीक है, जैसे हमें इस पॉइंट पर अगर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड फाइंड करनी है इस पॉइंट पर पर्टिकुलर, तो वो क्या होगी, ऐसे होगी. ऐसे का मतलब दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन विद दिस कंडक्टर, है ना. तो अगर ये वायर क्या है, इफ योर वायर इज प्लेस्ड along the board, then the direction of this line is inverts the board. So move towards the second rule, right hand screw rule or Maxwell cork screw rule. ये क्या होता है, सेम ये रूल है. जैसे देखिए अगर किसी स्क्रू को आपको पिनअप करना है इस फील्ड, ठीक है, तो पिनअप करने के लिए हमें उसे क्या करना पड़ेगा, कुछ इस तरीके से मूव कराना पड़ेगा. ऐसे मूव करेंगे तभी वो अंदर जाएगा. ये रूल ये कहता है कि इफ स्क्रू इज मूविंग इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक करंट अगर नीचे की ओर जा रहा है, लेट अस कंसीडर, एंड यू रोटेट द स्क्रू इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, then the rotation of the screw shows the direction of magnetic field. Imagine a right-hand screw to be rotated. एक राइट हैंड से स्क्रू रोटेट कराया जा रहा है कुछ इस तरीके से, टू बी रोटेटेड इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. करंट की डायरेक्शन में उसको रोटेट कराया जा रहा है. मान लिया अगर ये स्क्रू है तो ये इस तरीके से रोटेट कराया जा, माने ये नीचे की ओर रोटेट कराया जा रहा है इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, एंड देन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ रोटेशन gives the direction of magnetic field. Then the direction of rotation gives the direction of magnetic field. Let us consider, look here, this is a screw and this is the direction of current towards downside, and when you rotate this screw with the right hand like this, then thumb is moving towards this side, ना? ये इधर मूव करेगा. So this is the direction of screw rotates in this direction. This is the direction of magnetic field. This is the direction of magnetic field. This is a very small video session. I hope all of you get this rules. One is right hand thumb or right hand palm rule, and second one is right hand screw rule or Maxwell cork screw rule. So please like this video and share this video to your classmates and other friends. Please subscribe my YouTube channel LAKSHYA Tutorials. I will provide the continuous video of the chapter number 2. Thanks for watching.